So hiccups are the worst. Hiccups start from the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve comes and innervates your diaphragm and makes the diaphragm sort of clench, and that gives you the hiccup. So that nerve gets irritated. So I just got over a case of having the hiccups for about a week. I found this video from Dr. Perry Nicholson where he teaches you how to stimulate that nerve so you can calm it down. So Amanda's going to show us how to find it. I'll talk you through it. So first you have to find your sternocleidomastoid, which is this big muscle here in your neck. So side bend that way, right? And then you'll see that. So side bend and look away. That makes the muscle kind of pop out right here. The tendon's right there. You feel that? You got that tendon there? Yep. All right, now come just off a little bit, and right by your collarbone here, you'll feel this little spot go a little deep. Do you feel that like nervy pain? Come in a little closer to here and get kind of under. Yeah, it's not going to be comfortable, right? You feel that right there? Mm-hmm. And just sustain pressure there once you find it. So kind of dig into it, dig down into it this way, okay? All right, do that until your hiccups subside. Then I'd give it an extra 60 seconds or so.